Hi everybody, it's Cassie from HelperTech Burnsville. Just going to talk to you about some cell phone repairs that we do over here. Now, most parts on any phone, any model, can actually be replaced. Your screen breaks, bring it in, we can replace that. If your battery isn't lasting as long as it should, it should last 10 to 12 hours depending on what kind of apps you're using on it. If it's only lasting, like 5 to 8, or even I've had some people tell me it only lasts 2 hours, we can replace the battery. If your charge port isn't making good connection for, Samsungs or some of the other Androids, if it's not doing the fast charging service, bring that in. We can take a look. For a lot of iPhones, you can just clean out the charge port and they're ready to go. Otherwise, if any of the buttons start acting up, if your camera is broken, if you drop it and break the camera lens, all that stuff is repairable on a cell phone. So bring it in. We work on all models, not just iPhone. We work on Androids, LG, Samsung, all kinds. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 3. You don't need an appointment. You just stop in anytime during our business hours. And if you have any questions or want to know about any cell phone repairs we can do, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice night.